to say thank you to BlueScope for hosting us today. Every Australian knows BlueScope to be a great brand. It provides building products that young Australians are relying on to see their own home ownership dream realised. It's used in roofing, obviously, in fencing, in steel framing for houses. And a company like this relies on a big use of electricity and energy. When you look at the paint process that was going on in the factory behind us, it's really energy intensive, and gas is used, natural gas is used to generate electricity. It's used to make sure that it can drive furnaces, and there are many manufacturers like this. This is about bringing more gas that we own as a people into the market. It's about reducing the cost of producing steel here and for manufacturers across the economy, if we can do that. And I believe absolutely we can. The independent analysis demonstrates that we can. Then over the short to medium term, we can bring prices down across the economy.